Hey guys, Dylan, I'm at Winter Park Paint and Collision, and I just wanted to give you a little tour about what we got in the shop right now. It's after hours, so it's quiet. I can talk to you without air compressors and whatnot, but take a look at this. Oh, 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 oh. This is one badass Cougar. We'll get to that in a second. Check out. This thing is gorgeous. As you can see, getting a little bit of body work done to her. Now this, chopped 55. This thing is sick. Look at this color. It's kind of hard to see this color. A little dusty from sitting in here, but oh, look at that flake. Gorgeous. Look at that sharp line. Far from done, but will be done. Let's take a look at some stuff over here. We got Land Rover parts, as always. Always got Land Rovers going on, which is a good thing. Shout out to Safari HP. We got this Sunliner over here. Work in progress. We've been working on that for a little bit. It is a good customer of ours. Said take your time. Got plenty of other things going on. So working on this. Got this little guy over here. It's apparently raining. More parts for the 55. Got more Land Rover parts. Got a part for a 2003 Mitsubishi. It's a fender. Don't ask. Long story. It does look like it's raining outside. Not a big fan of that because it means I got to drive home in the rain. Looks like that's from the Cougar. So just a quick update on what we got going on here at Winter Park Paint and Collision. Badass body shop. Check out the YouTube channel. Subscribe if you have not. Also check out DB Productions. That is the channel that's got the Random Firearm and the Random Automotive and all that stuff. I'm saying that because I'm not quite sure which channel I'm putting this on. I got a whole bunch. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Oh, one more time. Like, everyone who watches this should know I got a soft spot for Fords. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Subscribe. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all that stuff. Links are all in the description. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Subscribe. Do it. Get to see more of this. More of this. You know you want to.